Here comes ne. Well, today we want to see what happens when ne wants to start to play with the vowels. So I have my a with the hat. So I know that this one always comes at the beginning and never attached to anything. So as long as I'm writing it down, I know that when this one has to end, I have to have my capital ne. So I write down ne because I'm finishing. I write this one first. I read it first as well. So a n, together, on, and this one I know that comes either in the middle of a word or at the end of a word. So here it comes and attaches to the lowercase ne. Why lowercase? Because these two can attach to each other. A comes right there and ne, a, together, na. Here I have my a, so this one comes right at the beginning. Then I have my ne. I know this one doesn't attach, so I have my ne. Read this one, then this one. A, ne. Together. An. Now this little one here. This one jumps right up there because I know this one comes always at the middle of a word. So ne, a. Together. Na. Here I have my e. This one comes always at the beginning, never attached to anything. After that I have my capital ne. So e, ne. Together, n. This one comes down there. The lowercase ne with this sounds like e. So n, e, together, ne. Here I have my o. This bigger one comes always at the beginning, never attached to anything. So first o, then ne. Together, on. This one, like these two, jumps right up there. As we know, this one comes always at the middle of a word. So ne, o. Together, no. What about u? Well, this one comes always at the beginning, never attached to anything. So after this, I have my ne. So first I read this, then this. U, ne. Together. Un. This one, we know attached to ne, make it sound like itself, so it would be nu. Ne, u, together, nu. Where it comes, yes, both sometimes in the middle, sometimes at the end. Here it came at the end. Our tricky e. This one always at the beginning, always attached from here. So when it comes, e, and ne attaches to it. Why? Because I'm finishing my word and I know that something has to attach to this. So my capital ne attaches to that to finish everything. E, ne. Together, in. This one here, I know that comes in the middle or at the end and works somehow like this. Sometimes attached from here, always from here. But that one, the bigger one, comes always at the end, sometimes attached, sometimes doesn't. So here it attaches to my lowercase ne because they have to. And ne, together, ni. ni. As easy as that. Well, for our next session, for practicing one page, until the end, until ni. Write them and read them at the same time. I promise this way you will completely understand the pattern. Don't forget to subscribe. When you did your practice, let me know in the comments. If you had any questions, ask me in the comments, and see you guys next session. Bye.